The QA section of XAT typically has 28 questions, and I'm sure many students will be happy to hear this, that typically the QA section of XAT now is easier than that of CAT. If you go back 10 years ago, I would have said exactly the opposite, but if you look at the last 5-6 years papers, especially papers from XAT 2018-19 onwards, you will find the level of difficulty of the question has come down significantly. That is possibly because they are also interested in getting students outside the engineering pool. Now, because the level of difficulty has come down significantly, it gives you an advantage and you can attempt larger number of questions. Second thing to remember is, as far as this paper is concerned, out of the 28 questions of QADI, there will be about 8 to 10 questions of data interpretation. That is usually data interpretation, not logical reasoning. The kind of LR you have seen in CAT typically does not come in XAT, and hence when you look at this paper, it becomes an arithmetic heavy paper. Out of those 28 questions, along with these 8 to 10 questions of DI, which I would classify as arithmetic, there could be another 6, 7, 8 questions of arithmetic, so which is about 15 mark questions of arithmetic and DI, and which is more than 50% of the paper. Apart from that, algebra, geometry, mensuration, and other things are also there. Obviously, need to do all of them. A good approach from a XAT point of view would be to ensure that you have done all the level 1, level 2 questions from your CAT and your mocks. And in addition to that, you should definitely attempt the XAT 2018 to 2025 papers to get a clear-cut idea of what kind of questions come. And definitely, yes, you should revise them. And please remember, in Quant, in XAT, you'll again be able to apply Jugaad. So please be on the lookout of choices. Just because there are 5 choices does not mean it becomes more difficult. Because creating 5 good choices is very difficult. So typically find there will only be a couple of good choices, or at best 3 good choices, and 2 choices you'll be able to eliminate very fast. So the amount of effort required to eliminate choices is roughly the same as required for CAT.